The latest coming in an enforcement directorate, Sushant probe. ED sources have revealed that in a statement that has been made by Jayanti Saha from Quan Talent Management Company. It's a talent management company based out of Mumbai, for our viewers who do not know about this. She disclosed that Sushant Singh Rajput earned to the tune of 30 to 35 crore rupees in the past 2 to 3 years from various projects. That's a big revelation that is coming in from Quan Talent Management Agency. Remember, this is a talent management agency that manages a lot of stars, manages a lot of models, upcoming actors, what have you, and they are the ones who are making this disclosure that Sushant has earned up to 35 crore rupees in the past 2 to 3 years from various projects. Devesh is still with us. Devesh, if what Quan is saying is true, first question, was Sushant registered with Quan? Was Quan managing Sushant's work? And in case they were, then what Jayanti Saha has said, that he has earned 30 to 35 crore rupees, she would know this better. And one would have to go ahead and track the financial trail of Quan's P&Ls as well, in case this particular disclosure has been made, because they usually take a commission when they get you work. The second thing is, if Sushant has indeed made 30 to 35 crore rupees, then where did this money go? It's not reflecting in his account.
Chetty, Enforcement Directorate, while questioning Jayanti Saha, who's talent manager associated with Quan Talent Management, have found out that Sushant indeed had made around 30 to 35 crore rupees in the past 2 to 3 years while working on several projects. And also, there's a payment that has reflected in the audit, in the annual audit that has been made by Sushant's chartered accountant, where one can see that a payment of rupees 63 lakhs have been made to Quan Talent Management by Sushant Singh Rajput, and it is suspected that it could be the commission that the talent management agency charges for managing actors and various celebrities. So other than that, he was working on various projects. That is what Jayanti Saha had revealed. He had worked on various projects. And Shruti Modi, who was also a business manager associated with Sushant Singh Rajput, has also shed some light that he indeed had various projects where he was to work after the lockdown ended in Mumbai.
Quan is what was managing Sushant Singh Rajput, and if Quan was managing and Quan is making a claim that he made 30 to 35 crore rupees, then a certain part of this money as a commission would be reflecting in Quan's account as well, and that is something that the Enforcement Directorate would have to probe at the moment. And the other question is for the probe agencies as to where did this 30 to 35 crore rupees go in a span of 2 to 3 years that was made by Sushant Singh Rajput. This is a big revelation that we're breaking right here on India Today.